So we are going to install Elementor Pro. The problem is when we are going to upload this plugin, it is showing upload max file size limit is exceeded. So we are going to solve this problem from hosting panel. You can see that I'm trying to uh, upload the plugin, but it's showing that upload max file size limit is exceeded. So we are going to logging hosting. So I'm going to logging tmd hosting. We have to click on logging. So we are now on hosting admin panel. We have to click on Linux shared hosting. We are going to cpanel. So scroll down and you can see there is a button cpanel. We have to click on it. Then it will redirect to the cpanel and we have to find PHP version. So you can see there is a select PHP version. Please click on it and then we have to increase the upload max file size limit. Click on option button and scroll down. You can see there is a upload max file size limit is 2 megabytes, so we are going to make it 128 megabyte. It will save automatically. Go back to the WordPress admin panel, then we have to reload the page. Click on upload plugin, then select Elementor Pro and install it. Click on activate plugin. So we already solved this problem.